what's up? This is the Waterfalls part 2. Yeah, we visited another waterfall. I do lots of traveling. Look at this.
Don't lose my phone.
I'm not. This just goes down. The way I'm looking at it, we can get a closer view. Wait, exactly. I can actually feel this water. Goes all the way down. Yes. That was actually really weird. But okay, yeah. Wait, there's another one? So this is where it begins. It begins there. And then there's like a mini waterfall. Wait for it. Yes, there's a mini waterfall that you can go down, that you can actually like step in, I think. No, you can actually go really close to that. So we're gonna see if we can get close to it. Let's see. Yeah, Mom, there's a mini waterfall that you can actually like go right into it. Alright, here we go, guys. We're going. Streaming on Twitch. I'm just kidding. I'm not streaming on Twitch.
You don't record the whole thing.
No, I'm not. I'm just gonna.
You got it on pause?
Mom.
Did you wait the whole thing?
No, I won't. Just
Pause it until we get over there.
I mean, I can edit. Mom, just guys. So, okay, guys, here we are. This is the water that we can step close in. I'm just gonna do it like that. Wait. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's get him some shirt. Wow. That was actually so cool. I'm not joking. There's more. This is like the biggest waterfall we ever saw. Not joking. I'm pretty sure this is like the biggest waterfall besides the other one in part 1. So yeah, that was something. Yeah, that was all for the waterfall. I know this was a short video. I just want to show you what it would be like to see the waterfall. It was really cool, especially when we were over there near the bridge, if you can see. I know this is a short vid. Just make sure to slap that like button and subscribe. And also turn on the notification bell. You know what? You did 2 things, now you gotta do one more. Please. And thank you.